Bro, you can for real hit the whoa to everything, bruh. You can hit it to everything. Real name, no gimmicks. Hey! Welcome to Topic Tuesday. If you didn't already know, Topic Tuesdays, every single Tuesday we got a new topic for the one time. We always get 1,000 likes, so before we even start the video, just hit the thumbs up. You see me, hey man, you see all these sneakers in the back, man? You see all those books that I got? I'm gonna teach y'all a secret today. Good old secret, you know? This is a secret for the 1%, the wealthiest of the wealthy. You see I got a Ferrari in my garage, you know? Fake money, bro. Y'all see this? This is actually prop money, bro. I use this just for prop money. It ain't real, man. Chill out. So today we're talking about credit cards. I think this is one of the most important topics. Always, I'm a big advocate for credit. Credit will save you in the long run, save you a lot of money. You know, this ain't 1918 where credit was irrelevant and it doesn't matter. I don't care what your parents are telling you. I don't care what, I hope your professors are telling you the right thing, but most of you guys just turned 18 or, you know, it's coming up. I would love for you to be prepared and, you know, I'd love to teach you what I've learned throughout the years because having good credit will save you so much. I'm telling you, the first car that I ever bought, you guys know it was the Kia Soul. I got 0% interest. I didn't pay any interest on that. Now, I probably didn't get the best deal on the car, but that's just an example of it. You know, when you end up paying interest, it screws you over. You know, you can pay a lot in interest. And that's just the real world, man. Credit cards are doing nowadays, they're paying you to use the credit card. And I'm not trying to get you guys to go out on a rampage and just buy. Oh, them new J's. Oh, this. Ooh, them clothes. Yeah, that's fresh. Ooh, that new Nike. You know, I'm not trying to get you to do that. I want you to obviously use your credit wisely and responsibly. That way, you know, you're establishing credit young. So when you're older, when it's time to get a car, when it's time to get a house, when it's time to, you know, get insurance, having a good credit score will save you money because what credit essentially is it's a way of banks and anyone lending you money verifying that you're legit, you know, that you do pay your bills on time and that they can give you this money and you ain't gonna run away. And that's why it's so important. And I just feel like, especially even kids my age now, I'm 24. Even when I was in college, when I was 18, I remember, and I've talked about this, I was in class and the professor was like, how many of you guys have credit cards? And I'm like, boom, boy, I got like 12 of them things because I ran multiple businesses. But you know, everyone around me, they had their parents paying their tuition and paying for every meal and their little cars. I'm not hating or nothing. I'm just saying you need to learn how to depend on yourself and not always depend on others. And this is a great start. So let's get into the important details of a credit card. You know, you're beginning to look. I personally think the Discover 8 is a great credit card for everyone to start out with because of the cash back. Discover has treated me well. I've had it for like, man, how long? Almost 4 or 5 years. And what they do is always give you like 2 to 3% cash back depending on whether it's grocery stores, gas. It's amazing, right? But anyway, you know, you find what card works for you. That's just one that I would recommend. And what you want to do with this credit card. Now, if you want to have a good credit score, all you want to do is stay under 10%. So let's say you have a $10,000 credit card. You want to stay under 10% each month. You do not want to go above 10%, you know. You can, but you don't want to do that. And most importantly, you want to make sure you pay your balance in full every single month. Don't get caught up in 0% interest for 12 months. Now that is helpful. The reason I say that is because a lot of us just, you know, we don't have the will to, oh, they're going to give me $10,000 for 12 months. I got to pay no interest. You're going to max it out, right? And when that 12 months comes up, they hit you with a 25% APR, which is the interest rate. Man, you end up paying like $500 on top of what you already owe, and the balance just keeps growing more and more. You know, recently I got caught up in that last year. I just paid probably like $30,000 to $40,000 off of my credit cards, and I feel free, man. That was weighing on me something heavy, and I'm just sharing this experience with you because it's easy to get lost in the sauce with these credit cards. But essentially, all you want to do is have that credit card and just use it. You know, there's no need to carry around your debit card. If someone steals your debit card, imagine they can drain your entire bank account. But with a credit card, you have fraud insurance. You don't have to worry about any of that because they don't have access to your actual money. They have access to the bank's money. Now, I feel like I should have like organized my thoughts. I'm all over the place right now. If you want to be serious about this, I highly recommend you write this down. Let's try to list these things, you know, let's try to organize it a little bit more out because I'm just spitting stuff out right now. So number one, you want to find a credit card that works for you. Once you get approved, number two, you want to use this credit card like you would use your debit card. Oh, you went and got a Snickers bar from the gas station, $2.95, use your credit card for it. Put your debit card in the safe, man. You don't need to use it, trust me. Now let's say $50 groceries. That $2.35 you spent for a Snickers bar, you spend another $30 on gas. By the end of the month or whenever that payment is due, pay it. And you do that every single month. You don't ever let that balance carry over. The loan will show to FICO and relatively all banks or any possible lenders in the future, oh, he's paying his bills on time. You never want to miss a payment. This, I'm telling you guys, you miss one payment, it will harm your credit score so much, man. It could almost like 100 points if you miss any type of payment, especially if it comes down to like a federal payment. And those are the simple steps to starting with a credit card, man. Like, that's all you need to do. Slowly but surely over time, you know, you develop a credit history. So then when you do decide, oh man, I want to go buy a new car, boom, they're like, oh man, your credit score is 800. Okay, well, we're offering 0% APR for the next 36 months. I mean, you're eligible for it. How amazing is that? On top of that, a lot of these credit cards are giving you cash back. They're giving you 1.5%, 1% back every time you spend. And you know, that might be a penny here, a penny there, but it adds up. You know, throughout the year, you could possibly be saving anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000 depending on what credit card you use. And it's really that simple, man. Don't let anyone make it more complicated than that. You just find the credit card that works for you and you just pay that balance every single month. And when you have multiple credit cards, it comes down to you don't want to not use them unless you're just being crazy and buying stuff left and right, which you shouldn't be doing, okay, first and foremost. But put your Netflix on one card, you know, like how I have mine broken down. I put my website or Shopify on one card, on my business card. I put my phone bill goes on another credit card, my Netflix goes on another credit card, Amazon Prime, HBO goes on another credit card, and it's all set up automatic payments and it's paid. I never miss a payment. I'm super organized with it. It took me a long time to get this way, but this is just stuff that I wish I would have known a few years back. No, my credit score is still doing really well, but it's because these past few months I like grinded to get it back to the top. And that's it, guys. If you guys want to have an 800 plus credit score, it's super simple. It doesn't matter if you work a minimum wage job, if you make stupid bread, you want to have at least 3 credit cards. And the reason being is because, you know, one credit card is easy to manage. Pay it, boom. 2 credit cards, ooh, you know, we're juggling a little bit. 3 credit cards, whoa, you know what I'm saying? Like, it gets a little hectic, but when you prove to them that, oh, I'm paying these 3 credit cards every single month, never missed a payment, paying in full, not going over 10% of my total credit limit, score's gonna be up there, man. I'm telling you guys, it's gonna save you so much money in the long run. If you want good credit, all you gotta do is just follow those steps. Now, if you want to be on the little riskier side, like I was originally, I used to buy shoes and know that I was gonna flip them. I would pay the credit card and then I would have the extra money for myself. That's a whole different concept. I don't really want to put you guys in that position. I'm just telling you, this is how you get great credit being young. Cash is not king, credit is king. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave them down below. I'll also put a link to the Discover card. I think if you have friends sign up or people that you recommend, you get like $50 back. So if you guys want to sign up for that, hey, benefits me. I'm just letting you know ahead of time. And let me know what you think about these business videos. You know, Topic Tuesday is for whatever. It's not strictly dedicated to sneakers. Topic Tuesday is just a way for me and you to connect and, you know, sit down and talk, and hopefully I can learn something, you can learn something, or I can teach you what I've learned. How about we get those 1,000 likes for the one time if you guys did enjoy this video, because we are just killing it. You guys are murdering it with 1,000 likes and it's amazing. Then my 2 other ending announcements, you know, I got the mailing list that lets you know every time a new video drops. Make sure you guys sign up for that. And if you're not already a part of the Patreon crew, I just finally set up the tier and dropped a secret vlog. So if you guys want to check that out, that'll also be down below. But this is your boy Sneaker Life. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run it.